Hello everyone, welcome back to botany class. Today we are going to talk about a very short topic, that is principle of rule or principle of ICVM. In previous many classes we have seen that the botanical nomenclature is depend on the rules given by IBC, that is International Botanical Congress, and these rules are known as ICBN, that is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. There are 6 principal rules for botanical nomenclature. These rules are: first one, ICBN or botanical nomenclature is independent of zoological nomenclature or bacterial nomenclature. As we have seen that the ICBN have give some rules, that rules are called as International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Likewise, there are number of rules which are given for the zoological nomenclature, and that rules are called as ICZN, that is International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. And there are number of such rules for bacterial nomenclature as well as virus nomenclature, again for fungal nomenclature. The second rule is application of name to taxonomic group is determined by a nomenclatural type. A nomenclatural type is a model plant by which or on the basis of which the names are given. For example, Rosa. On the basis of this Rosa, number of taxonomic groups are given, like family Rosaceae, order Rosales, etc. So in this case, Rosa is a nomenclatural type, or it is a model plant on the basis of which the number of names are given. The third rule is the nomenclature of taxonomic group is depend on priority of publication. It is also called as principle of priority. For example, one person have reported a plant in Akola in 2001, and same plant was reported by another scientist or another person in America in 2005. Then according to the principle of priority, the priority will be given to the person who have discovered this plant in 2001 in Akola. It means the name of that plant will be depend on the name of person who discovered that plant first. The fourth rule is each taxonomic group having a particular position or rank bears only one correct name or correct scientific name, except species name. That is, species name may vary from author to author, but the taxonomic group of other ranks like family, order, genus, etc. cannot have alternative names. For example, Rosales cannot have another alternative names. Malvaceae cannot have another alternative name. Another rule is the scientific name of all the taxonomic groups are treated in Latin. That's why we write all the taxonomic names in Latin, or either we write in italic or we underline it. For many people, it is not possible to write the names in italic. That's why we underline the species name as well as genus name separately. The another rule is the rules of nomenclature are retroactive. That is, they are applicable throughout the world and they are compulsory to all the scientific community throughout the world. It means we cannot change or cannot manipulate all these rules. So it is all about the principle of rules or principles of ICBN. We will talk about another topic in the next class. Till then, thank you very much.